Hello and welcome back to online English class. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today I just simply want to check in with you on your progress for the Unit 6 test. Make sure that you are submitting that correctly, formatting your email correctly. Okay, so I simply need an email of an attachment of your response that is clearly labeled and clearly formatted and that is submitted to me before 3 p.m. On Tuesday, which is today. Okay. So each class got their own prompt, right? The AP students, you guys should be working on the past AP exam prompt that is attached that you are reading through and working through, or at least have been, hopefully. Okay, if you are in the honors class, then your prompt is about John Brown, so you've already worked on that. And if you are in the regular course, then you had your choice of any one of the three prompts that you wanted to work on. All right, so all the individuals in all of those three different classes need to make sure that they are conducting the work that has been assigned to them and that you are submitting that to me in a properly labeled email by 3 p.m. today. Okay, so just want to quickly draw your attention back to this. If you are in the AP course, all right, stick with me here. I'd like to simply walk through what these documents are on this day, since this is such a short video. It's just a good day to get through this. Okay, so first of all, this testing guide, all right, is a link. It's published by the College Board for the 2020 AP testing. I need you to go through and read this document so that you are prepared to take your exam on May 20th. It's going to explain things about your AP exam ticket. It's going to explain the steps that you need to take before the actual exam day on May 20th. It is going to explain what exam day is going to look like, and finally it's going to explain how exams are scored. Okay, so if you're less interested on how it's going to be scored, and credit and placement, all of these things, you definitely need to work through the first three steps. The fourth step I'll explain to you later, but these three steps there are some very clear responsibilities that are laid out that you need to make sure that you are getting done. Okay. This checklist is also something that you need to get done. Okay, so you'll need your AP ID. You'll need the name on your exam, the exam date, the check-in time and start time, so that you know precisely when you need to be checking in for that exam online. All right, so there'll be a check-in period prior to taking the exam. Everyone will get in. It's almost like a lobby. All right, you'll get into the sort of testing lobby, and then you'll enter into the test itself. Okay, go through, work through this checklist, make sure that you are ready for all of those various tasks, and finally, okay, follow this link, also available on RenWeb, to the testing demo. Okay, so you'll go to this website, you'll enter the word practice here. Okay, on the day of the actual exam, you would enter your e-ticket number. All right, but for today, you just need to enter practice. It takes you into the AP 2020 exam demo. Then you'd get started. You enter your personal information, and you'd have a clock in the bottom left corner telling you when the exam started. Okay, so this will be like this sort of registration phase. You'll be getting everything in. And then once everything is ready to go, all right, and you agree to the terms and conditions, of which you should read and vet and analyze carefully. Okay, probably just kidding. All right, but once you get all that ready to go, you would enter into the testing scenario, and you would write your exam. Okay, so I need you guys to interact with these sources at some point this week. All right, I just want to take the opportunity today, since it's a shortened class, to explain, but throughout the course of this week, I need you to interact with this information so that you are ready to go for that exam on May the 20th. Okay, so have an excellent time writing your test. Hope you guys develop exceptionally well-reasoned and coherent essays responding to the prompt, and have a great day.